ला कांपाल वाठारात दर खेपे जावपी अपघाताच्या फाटभुंयेर नागरिकांनी रोड रॅम्बलर बसोवपाची मागणी केल्या। या मागणेची दखल घेत पणजे महानगरपालिकेचे महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी शुक्रारा भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांसयत सुवातीची पळोवणी केली। नागरिकांच्या सुरक्षे खातीर बेगोबेग गरजेचे उपाय करतले अशी माहिती दिली।
Heard a loud bang and we said, oh my gosh, this is another accident, because on these crossroads we've been having so many accidents, maybe 2 per day also, so we have only been counting 35, 40, I think this was about 42nd accident that took place in this road. Some were minor, but we were hoping there wouldn't be a major one. We were after the CCP to put these rumblers or something. But unfortunately, someone was so serious yesterday. It was a motorcycle accident, and the husband and wife were both on the road, bleeding profusely from the mouth, ears, nose, and it was very sad. So we thought that now it's high time, we cannot wait any longer, and we'll put the rumblers or whatever for safety in future.
आयला तेन्ना मोटरसायकल स्कूटर मोदी आशिल्ली आनी एक बायल तेवटेन पडिल्ली आशिल्ली आनी एक दादलो हेवटेन. सो इम्पॅक्ट आसली एक गाडी आनी एक स्कूटर. ओके, गाडी एकदम स्लो आसली अशें म्हण सांगता हांव, कांय पळोवंक ना. सो हांव आयला तेन्ना तो दादलो मातशें हालतालो, हें करतालो, हिंगा दुखता म्हणटालो. आनी केन्ना हांवें हात लायले तेका ना, तेजे कानांतल्यान रगत, नाकांतल्यान रगत, दोळ्यार सगळो तांबडो जालोलो. आनी तो उणकूंक सोदतालो, करतालो. आमी चालें तेका, तूं उणकूंक सोदता, तो उलयनासलो. मागीर ताका कितें जाय आसलें, सो तेजो मोबायल ताणें सोदून तो मोबायल काडलो आनी तो थिंगा दवरलो. मागीर ताका क्रॅश हेल्मेट आसलें. म्हाका अशें लागता ताका चड लागूंक ना, तें क्रॅश हेल्मेट करता. ताजी गोरकान तेवटीन उसुरली दुसरे सायडीन, आनी तिणें म्हाका दिसता ती पडली तेन्ना तोंडार पडली. सो तिजो दोळो सारको इतलो सुजिल्लो, म्हाका दिसता तेजो दोळो गेलो आसतलो, म्हाका दिसता तो सारको. तेज्या नाकांतल्यान, तोंडांतल्यान, कानांतल्यान सगळ्यान रगत येतलें. ताजे येवचे पयलीं हिंगा रामलर घाल. तो सांगता इट हॅज टू बी पास बाय कलेक्टर आनी कितें खूब म्हाका तेणें हें सांगलें. मागीर काल इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल. हांवें ताका फोन केलो आनी सांगलें तुमी हें करिना जाल्यार दोन मोडी आसतली हिंगा दिसान. मागीर तो आयज येयलो आनी मागीर ताणें सांगलें आपूण घालता. तो आतां रामलर घालता म्हूण सांगला. परवां न्ही रे, परवां घालता म्हूण सांगला. पळोवया.
आणि गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर झाले
PWDचे मनीस सांगले तो. सो ते येयले.
खंयच्या एरिया खंयची
ही कांपल.
Primarily, there was a major accident yesterday involving an elderly couple and a car. So the residents are concerned about there are a lot of people that come speeding because the roads have been recently hot mixed. So that meeting was basically with the PWD department to put rumblers on the things. So when the roads are hot mixed, the rumblers also tarred over. So they said that they get it done soon in the next couple of days. That's the primary thing, and then desilting and regular cleanliness.
So today how many rumblers will be coming?
See, now first we're going to identify that location because that is the main road that leads to 18 June Road and from Bombay and all the Fisherman's Wharf and all that. So first we will take that section. It will be around 6 or 7 rumblers at 4 intersections just to see how that is doing. Once that is placed, then we will see if it's made a major improvement. Then we will check and see what steps need to be taken next.
But I think this is there to make one way or something like that.
No, as of now, no. See, it's also because the roads are smooth. A lot of people are speeding. Right. So I just want to urge people, at least when you drive, see, these are residential areas. This is not a commercial road. So when you're driving, there are a lot of elderly citizens that live in these areas. I'm urging people, whoever's driving these roads, to ride their bikes carefully because a lot of people are just speeding through the roads.